If you're a homeowner, I'm sure you've had this thought: when should I refinance? In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about refinancing your mortgage. Refinancing is a big part of homeownership. We believe there's a difference between being a homeowner and a successful homeowner. And if you have a mortgage on that property, like most people, you can save potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars by strategically refinancing throughout your life and maximizing your wealth strategies. The problem is most homeowners don't know, one, whether they should refinance and when the best time to refinance is. Now, the first part is to figure out if a refinance actually makes sense. That's probably the easiest part. Really, you're just looking at the cost and you're comparing that to the savings. So as an example, there are no cost refinances. We use things like lender credits. Maybe the rate's a smidge higher, but the costs are wiped out for you and you save money instantly. Now, my personal feeling is if the refinance is free and you're saving money, you should do it every time. But then once you start adding cost, it takes a little bit of a deeper analysis. You need to figure out if you're going to be in that house for long enough to recoup those costs. And we have to think about, are we ahead of another interest rate cycle where maybe lower rates are ahead? Now, the next part's probably the hardest for most homeowners, and that's trying to figure out when you should actually refinance. I don't think people should put that on their shoulders because life is just too busy and markets move too fast. At the Downs Group of Ella Mortgage, we have many pieces of technology that help us track and measure live pricing, equity positions, credit scoring, to proactively reach out when things do make sense to at least start the conversation. So if you're a homeowner out there and you have a mortgage and you're trying to figure out when you should refinance or if it makes sense, please reach out to us. We'll certainly tell you when it doesn't make sense, unlike a lot of salespeople out there, because we're advisors. We want to make sure that every dollar you have can be earning or saving something. So please check us out. We'd love to help.